greenhouse gas emissions worldwide, if we look at the global carbon budget, there are three big sectors. There's the stationary energy sector, the transport sector, and then the food sector. Both in stationary energy and in transport, emissions intensity is going down, and in many countries emissions are actually going down. But in the food sector, that's not the case. And so we're on track. If current trends continue, agriculture and the food system writ large will be the largest emitting sector within our lifetimes. And so we have a huge challenge. At the same time, agriculture is the biggest user of land, the biggest user of diverted fresh water, the biggest employer in the world. And so in many ways, it's the single biggest lever we can pull. It is a huge part of the solution to climate change. So we need to be able to produce food, enough healthy food, and share it equitably in ways that preferably shift agriculture from being an emitting sector to being a sink. And that's a huge technical challenge, social challenge, and a policy challenge. And so that's going to need some very, very smart research, and there's no way that research will all be done in any one country. That's going to have to be a multinational, international enterprise. And so having collaborations that bring researchers together from different countries, rich countries, industrialised countries, low-income countries, middle-income countries, in the tropics and in the temperate zones and in the arid zones, we all have a huge technical challenge to meet, and the more that we can share knowledge and information and learn from each other's research activities, the faster the world can get to where it needs to get to. So collaborations like the Global Research Alliance on Agricultural Greenhouse Gases, which currently has 64 member countries and a further 20 international organisations as part of it, are incredibly important. And I'm thrilled that this year Australia takes over the chair of the GRA, the Global Research Alliance on Agricultural Greenhouse Gases, and I'll be looking forward to hosting our 64 member country colleagues and representatives of those other international organisations at the Global Council meeting here in Canberra in March.